Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40 and today I'll show you how Face Unlock works in this smartphone. So I'm going to make the test how it works. So let's check how fast it is and if it is reliable. And take a look. Right now I'm going to close my eyes and let's see if we can unlock. And I'm going to open eyes. So as you can see, it's really nice. There's additional protection. It's required to open eyes to unlock smartphone. And as you can see, it's a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor, but it still works very, very fast. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.